In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email template in Mautic. Let's walk through the process from the moment you sign in, all the way to saving your finished email, so you know exactly what to click and why. Start by opening your Mautic login page and signing into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the main navigation. Open Channels, then choose Emails. This is where all of your outreach lives, and where we'll create a new one. Click New to begin. Right away, Mautic asks you to choose the email type. Pick Segment Email if you're sending a one-time broadcast to a defined list. Choose Template Email if you plan to reuse this message inside automations and campaigns. If you're not sure, think about your goal. A one-off announcement belongs in Segment Email, while evergreen messages like a welcome or nurture email are best as Template Email. On the next page, enter your subject line. Keep it clear, concise, and relevant to your audience. Think benefits first and avoid spammy phrasing. Below that, add an internal name. This is only for your team, so use a naming convention that helps you find it later, like purpose, audience, and date. If you're creating a segment email, select the segment or contact list you want to receive it. Double check you're targeting the correct group to avoid sending to the wrong audience. Next, choose your starting point. You can select from the available templates for a quick, consistent layout, or start from scratch if you want complete control over the design. Once you've made your choice, click Builder. Inside the Builder, customize your email with drag and drop elements like text blocks, images, and buttons. Align your design with your brand by adjusting fonts, colors, and spacing. For images, use high-quality assets and set descriptive alt text. For buttons, make sure the link is accurate and the call to action is specific. Keep paragraphs short, make key points scannable, and remember that most readers are on mobile, so preview as you design and keep widths and padding friendly for small screens. Include your logo and a clear footer, and ensure required unsubscribe and company details are present in your template. When you're happy with the layout and content, click Apply to commit your edits without leaving the builder. This helps you save progress as you refine. Finally, click Save and Close to store your email and exit the editor. That's it. You've created an email in Mautic, selected the right type, set the essentials, built a clean design, applied your changes, and saved it for use.